Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer data from Google Sheets to Bubble step by step clearly. Open your Google Sheets document containing the customer data. Make sure all columns are properly labeled for easy identification. Select the range of cells that you want to transfer. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Copy or use the shortcut Ctrl+C. Open a web browser and navigate to your Bubble application. Log into your Bubble account if you are not already logged in. Select the Data tab on the left side menu. Click on App Data to access your data tables. Choose the data type where you want to add your customer information. Click on the Upload button located at the top right corner. In the Upload window, select the Manual Input option to enter data directly. In the pop-up that appears, start by pasting the copied data from Google Sheets. Use the shortcut Ctrl+V to paste the data into the designated area. Ensure that the data aligns with the correct fields in Bubble. Double-check each entry for accuracy before continuing. Once satisfied, click on the Create or Update button to save the transferred data. Wait for the upload process to complete. Review the data in your Bubble application's data table to confirm the transfer was successful. If necessary, go back to Google Sheets to make any adjustments or corrections. Repeat the process if you have more data sets to transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.